Okay, real quick. This situation right here going on with this 3.5 V6 on the 300. They came in charges and all that. So this pretty much your valve train right here. And what happens is they get a little slack in them and get a little wiggly from side to side when they wear out. Anyway, it causes the engine to make a tapping noise. So on all these, it's a long process. I did one side already. So, but I got to disassemble the whole situation again in order to get to the other side of it and get it loose. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that and fill you in on much information as that. As far as the harder part of this job would be getting it out. You got EGR valve right here in the back, and it's up under this deck lid. So that's pretty much the worst part of it that you have to struggle with. But other than that, you got just pretty much your brackets and the whole top, this upper intake got to come off. So you know what comes with that, new gaskets or whatever. But pretty much that's what's going on with this situation. So I'm gonna drop a little bit more information in a couple of more videos as I get into it. Let me start it up for you. Just let you hear this. Let's see. Right. That's pretty much what it's doing. So hopefully this will get that situation settled. Like I said, I'm gonna make a couple more videos and fill y'all in on this. All right, stay tuned with me.